Hi, in this tutorial we'll show you how to stream from Avid to Pixelview with the new SRT feature that's available in Avid Ultimate and Enterprise. With this setup, you get a complete system for showing your work live to remote clients, and no extra hardware is needed. Pixelview also has both video and text chat built in for easy collaboration when you stream. First, go to pixelview.io and click Get Started to get your login credentials. We'll email you your login within a few hours or a day at the most. Open up Avid, right-click on the streaming icon and choose Configure. Select Caller and enter the server, port, password, and latency you've received from us. Click the icon to start the stream and make sure the icon is blinking. Open up the admin link that you also received from us and log in. The easiest way to watch the stream is to click on the Watch link in the interface. With this link, your clients can watch directly in their web browsers. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or want us to guide you through the setup.